Good afternoon. Today, 30 July 2026, and right now time is 3:28 p.m. Presently, I am in West Champachora under Champahar Agri Sector, Tulashekar Agri Subdivision. So this is organic Kali Khasa, or you can say Khasa Kosam. Kosam means black. So this is organic Kali Khasa, grown under MOBC Denier Phase 4 by Bosong Organic FPC, and he's my cultivator Rinku Deborma of Pochim Champachora under Tulashekar Agri Subdivision. Hangkai Rinku bayo jaga nongni manani ni Kali Khasa busuk kheta borkha nang taklai ekani total nin jaga ke busuk bangem ne total 8 kanin bisingo te onne jaga bude Kali Khasa borjak tong abo khai bo jaga bo abo gani paragana ta area purbo champao ngai mo khai to pochim champao khai nongni ojabo jaga tongta hangkai mo ngo Kali Khasa mo tak charani boyos busuk khala 19 din acha nino jaga mai bornai rok borok to o jaga nuk tong o jaga mai bor tong borok hangkai borok khai busui hajira hisab de natamo hajira khai busuk na ba par day hajira par rate khai 400 mane ko 400 taka hangkai borok tini mo bude tini bor mo duita no hangkai nini te baki ko Kali Khasa mane total busuk borja ko jate ekani hangkai ekana ayangote dui kani bornai borjak bos borkha hangkai te baki khai on tam mai bor hangkai abo ka onno mai bung de saiman tam mai rogabo purobi hangkai Kali Khasa agi rogobu dekhai na rok mo ko Khasa kosom taklan prothom khaine yo hangkai mo to norok ulo organic chini kono tamsengam Bosong Organic FPC phalan bole mo rate de saiman rok buse 70 টাকা ma proti kg o sing paitlang mai buslei no nga chengaba mai sugui phalkai to bazaro tabo Khasa mai busuk choli mai ingko mairo abo le ase saimi ata sir busuk choli ingko 100 টাকা rok choliu. So here he is my BUD member of Bosong Organic FPC Rotiranjan Deborma, and his circle in charge Somit Deborma of Pochim Champachora. So this plot also they transplanted this morning, and the age of this seedling is 19 days. So beside this one kani plot, Rinku Deborma is having another 2 kani. He already transplanted in Purbo Champachora, and rest amount out of 8 kani he has sown HYB paddy that is not supplied by department. Purobi variety dengamo purobi maike butila ko kothok mane pajam hainong tongo. So here I think most of the farmers they are going for this Purobi variety of paddy. I don't know where the variety derived from, but this plot actually we undertaken under MOBC Denier Phase 4 and looks after by Bosong Organic FPC under MOBC Denier Phase 4. So let me ask a few questions to Roti also. Hey Roti bhai nang ke sagade nin khai mai angko Kali Khasa nang boida diwa taklai bonai sar ki sa busuk koi kani borna kani bolde sar der kani mane angko chara rok sarjak dena chara sarjak prai koi din kha 14 din kha hangkai tote at least 3-4 din bising na bor simana mane borna nang chesa pano mai bor pano nok ba cultivator no side di 20 din ni bising no borka chara mane kaham moto line swing o borkha norok hangkai o jaga to kono fertilizer use khaja na ble organic tabuk o from phaikabo norok khicha diri dewa jaga. So this is the overview of this area. This Kali Khasa plot belongs to Rinku Deborma, and he is one of our beneficiary under MOBC Denier Phase 4, looks after by Bosong Organic FPC. Here he is our BUD member, board of director Roti Ranjan Deborma of this Bosong Organic FPC. So this year we have given a drive on this one Kali Khasa organic paddy cultivation, but beside this Kali Khasa or Khasa Kosam we are having another variety that is Horinarayan. No, was a Horinarayan born at Totong. Oza Karina. So, this is the overview of the plot. I thanks my farmers, Rinku Deborma, and also beauty member Ratiranjan Deborma, and all the team member who accompany with me during this field visit. So, thank you everyone.